There's the biggest chicken ever I've seen. Are you a chicken? Chicken? Chicken. I want a chicken now. I'm a chicken hawk, and I smell chicken. Quick, hurry, look, hurry, quick, over there, look. You're so right, chicken, and I'm a-slapping my brand on you right now. Ah, there's my victim now. Gosh, I'm a chicken hawk. I catch chickens and eat them. I'm a chicken hawk, and you're my victim. Are you gonna come quiet, or do I have to muss you up? That big snook tricked me.